So if your string starts to break, you can unloosen these. These are the tension. You can loop. If your bales are too tight, they will break. The string will break. Another thing you can check, see if it's too wet. Sometimes if it's too wet and heavy, the bales will break. In my case, this is a tripping arm. See in here, the knot is stuck. So I have to turn the PTO to fix that. I'm turning off my PTO. This is where the shear bolt is. If you find this wheel is moving, that's your shear pin. And the chain is not. Here's the chain. A lot of times with your shear, this little compartment here has the extra bolts in case they shear. Shear pin, shear bolt, whatever you call them. And these are master links in case your chain breaks. So, in here I'm going to take this knot and string is stuck in the knife part. Stuck in there. There, I popped it out, so now that's not going to get hung off. I'm going to check the other side. The other side looks free and clear. You want to see, this is what holds it. This holds it while the back here is tying the knot. So these last couple of bales were breaking, probably because, I mean, you can go too fast and it's packing way too fast or way too tight. I could have come into like a bunch of wet stuff because it was like a couple of bales were breaking at the same time, but nothing seems to be wrong. The string isn't caught up on anything. I have plenty of twine. So we'll try it again. Sometimes if you clean out this whole thing by just pulling all the hay out, you can start all over. Sometimes there's buildup on the walls here. That's something to check. I have this sitting right now about as loose as it can go. If this is too tight, your bales will break. the twine will break. Because it was breaking on both sides like that, I think it was due to just too much hay at one time because I had like a double windrow here. But we'll start her back up. Before you go out to bale, sometimes when the chain breaks, it's because this is too low or high. Mostly too low and you're hitting into the rocks and dirt. You can adjust the height of this. Mine's riding just above where I raked.